Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making microwave keto chocolate cake. If you follow keto, then this is the answer for your chocolate and sweet cravings. This cake is completely microwavable and it can be prepared within few minutes from start to end. In this video, I'm going to show you to make almond meal from scratch and at the same time how to use that almond meal in making the cake. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and at the same time subscribe to my channel to receive further notifications on my daily videos. If you wish to watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. To make the almond meal, I am going to add half a cup of almonds. It is raw almonds, I haven't roasted it. Add it to a blender and give it a nice pulse for 2 to 3 minutes until the almonds are crushed and powdered nicely. Once the almonds are powdered, remove it from the blender and add it to a sieve and nicely filter it until the big pieces of the almonds are strained well. I'm just going to speed up the video for you to look into the whole process. While blending the almonds, make sure you don't run it for a long time because the oil from the almonds will get released and the powder will form into a clumpy mass rather than becoming a powder. Now the big piece of almonds are removed. Save this for later use. And this is the almond meal we are going to use instead of flour for the keto microwave cake. This can be stored in an airtight container for future uses too. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of the almond flour to a bowl. Along with this, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of baking powder. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. Give this a nice mix until all the dry ingredients are combined well. You may find few cocoa bits and pieces, don't worry about that, just let it be. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. You can use whipping cream or any cream that is pourable consistency. Next, along with this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener. You can use any keto sweetener of your choice. You can either use liquid or powdered artificial sweetener which is keto approved. Next I'm going to add vanilla extract. I'm going to add a teaspoon of it. You can add any flavoring of your choice. Along with this, I'm going to break in 1 egg. Even if you don't do a keto, you can follow the same recipe to make a cake which is very healthy and tasty too. Now using a fork, start giving a mix until everything is combined. Make sure there are no dry bits of the flour. If you look, now the batter is completely combined and there are no dry bits of flour left. Smear some butter to the bowl which you are going to bake the cake. I am using a microwavable bowl. Very little of butter is enough. Just smear it all over the bowl. Now we can transfer our cake batter to the bowl which we have prepared. This microwave keto cake is a very handy one where it is very soft and fluffy, and so that you will never miss your regular cake even when you are craving for some soft and fluffy cakes. Now for the toppings, I'm going to add the saved up crushed almonds which we got from the almond meal preparation. Just a tablespoon of the crushed almonds on the top will give a nice beautiful crunch to the cake. Now place the cake bowl into the microwave. I am using a 800 watts microwave. You can use according to your microwave. Place the bowl and set the timer for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes is over, carefully remove the bowl from the microwave and let it cool for 5 minutes before transferring to a plate. Invert it into a plate. It should easily come off to the plate as we have applied butter to the bottom. Look at it, how beautiful the cake is, and the lovely pattern on the cake. It's amazing and it smells amazing too. Serve it with some keto ice cream or a whipped cream on top if you wish. And that's it. Our lovely and easy microwave keto chocolate cake is ready to be served. Serve it warm with ice cream and enjoy.